model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Hdi Luton box, van low loader long MOT great runner. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 172080. MOT, the 5th of December 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in great condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, reversing camera, electric windows, sat-nav, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.